Crazy easy trick for mining affiliate marketing programs that convert. In this video, I will explain to you the crazy easy trick that this guy found for mining affiliate marketing programs. Using this idea will undoubtedly increase your earnings. Watch the video to learn how to make money online. Let's start the video. He utilized this one really easy trick to find profitable affiliate marketing programs. When tackling a challenging task, you could stumble across this approach, which will blow your mind. To make money in affiliate marketing, you need to find successful programs people really want. Finding suitable affiliate programs online might be a time-consuming process. You must be up to date on the most profitable and well-liked options. As they look for high-converting programs, affiliate marketers are like snails, leaving a trail of evidence and a pleasant scent in their wake. A lot of affiliate marketers would prefer not to provide such info. Sharing valuable knowledge is essential because it helps everyone grow personally and collectively. A simple strategy for locating profitable and popular affiliate marketing programs. You have probably previously heard of this tool, but this unique approach will transform how you look for affiliate networks to join. Just follow these steps. To begin, log into your Google AdWords account and go to Tools and Settings from the menu bar. Then, choose Keyword Planner from the options in the first planning subheading. The magical moment has finally arrived. A new set of keywords may be found by clicking the Discover New Keywords button. Put affiliate marketing into the search bar now. Right now, you're going to view a page with an extensive list of terms. Toggle between 3-month change and year change to get what you're looking for. Look through the ones that have increased their positive change percentage the most. Quite a few will register at plus 900%. What does that mean? The number of people looking for information on that affiliate marketing program has climbed by 900% in the past 3 months and 1,300% in the previous year. Affiliate programs in many other areas, where searches increased by 900% or more, are also worth looking into, including Amistar affiliate program, Grubhub, Authority Hacker, Sports Betting, Pepper Jam Ascend, Nike, Alibaba, Coursera, eBay affiliate marketing, Newegg affiliate program, ClickFunnels affiliate marketing, Disney affiliate program, Kayak, Gymshark, Anthony Morrison, and Cabela's affiliate program. You must type that phrase into Google to bring up the affiliate program's sign up page. Hopefully, this will motivate you to join additional affiliate programs, expanding your potential client base and decreasing the frequency for which you are turned down for service. This was all from my side to guide you about the crazy easy trick that this guy found for mining affiliate marketing programs. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon if you're new to the channel so you don't miss any new stuff. Comment below if this video was helpful or if you have any concerns regarding how to generate money.